All right, like I told you, this is Sasha. She's much bigger. We have no idea what she is except for exceptionally cute. You want to look at the people? No, she's a little nervous being up here. She's not used to me holding her. She's got big ears too. Everybody in our house has big ears. So she's got kind of dog breath too. Can you say hi? Can you say hi to the kids? There they are right there. See, you went down, don't you? Okay, see ya. All right, guys. Whew. I'm going through the paper towel, I'll tell you what. Not a good thing to be going through right now because we sure can't find any out there in the world. I'll have to start putting it in the washing machine, dry it, see how that works. Okay, so we're on math, chapter 19, 423 and 424. And as you look at it, you're going to be glad I'm here, right? Because word problems again, two-step. If you think you're good with it, go ahead and shut me off and do it yourself, and then you can always come back and see how it went, okay? So instead of doing the example, we're just going to jump right on into number 1, all right? So it says do one step at a time, add or subtract. So I'll just kind of do a step 1. Whoops, I shouldn't have done that. And step, whoa, that's ugly. I don't know what's going on. I haven't had my lunch yet, so I think I'm a little off. Alrighty, so there we go. Step 1, step 2. We're on number 1. Let's read. It says Rodney has, thank you Christian Daniel, by the way. Rodney has $5.25. He buys a flute that costs $1.20 and a top that costs $1.65. How much money does he have left? Well, he buys 2 things. So don't you think the first step might be figuring out how much money he spent? I think so. So guys, I did not anticipate this. How much did the flute cost? Stop. Now, go to bed. The flute costs $1.20. So let's put $1.20. That dog could lift me up. I can't lift her up. I'm going to let her out. Go ahead and write plus $1.65. Okay, let's go. Go get that mailman. Woo. All righty. Here we are. Did you write plus $1.65? Good. Very obedient children. So that's going to be the first problem. Okay? So 5 plus 0 is 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop your decimal point, $2. So he spends $2.85, correct? But how much money did he start with? That's step 2. He started with $5.25. Now he spent, so we're going to take away how much he spent. And like, you know, you don't necessarily, it's 2 old people that are really no threat to us at all. 285, and then we subtract. And then you have an answer line, okay? 5 minus 5 would be 0. 2 minus 8, more on the floor, go next door. You can cross over the decimal points. That is not a problem. You're borrowing from the dollars. Now you have 12 dimes, giving you 4 left over. Decimal point, $4, take away $2. And your final answer is $2.40. So you see how that works? Okay, I might cut you loose on the second page, but I'm not so sure. Okay, let's look at number 2. It's kind of hard for me to reach all the way over there, so I'm going to turn it a little bit, okay? So, go ahead and read. Joe and Ann each have $2.35. So remember, we've got this person here has what? $2.35. That is Joe. Here's Ann with lots of hair. She says, this says she has $2.35. So 2 people, each with $2.35. They spend $2 on some tacos to share. How much money do they have now? So apparently they put their money together to buy tacos. So if they each have $2.35, how much money is that altogether? Well, you have to double that. So go ahead and write $2.35 plus $2.35. Alrighty. 5 plus 5 is 10. You put your 0, carry your 1. 6, 7, decimal point 4. They've got $4.70 that they get to spend. So we'll go ahead and put that over here, $4.70. We're going to spend $2. Okay, so they spent $2 and some tacos to share. I sure hope they got more than one taco because they're probably $1 each. And 0 take away 0, 7 take away 0, 4 take away 2, and this is how much money they have left. So that would be the final answer. Could they buy a couple more tacos? I think if I were them, I probably would. And then they would have 70 cents left over, right? Okay, go ahead to the next page, 424. I will get this erased. I'll try to keep my steps. Okay, so once again, if you want to do it by yourself, go ahead and turn me off. Okay. Alrighty, 424. They did part of the first one, but they didn't finish it for us. So it says Patrick buys 2 kites. You can circle 2 kites. Each kite costs $2.15. He also buys some juice for $1.20. How much does he spend? So let's take this one bit at a time. Even though this could be a column addition, they want us to do it in 2 steps. So 2 kites, each kite $2.15. So one kite costs $2.15. Another kite costs $2.15. How much did he spend there? 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 3 decimal point. So on the 2 kites, he spent $4.30. But he did not want to stop there. He had more money. So he bought some juice because flying kites can make you get thirsty. So that would be $1.20 that he adds on to his spending. 0, 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. So how much did he spend altogether, folks? $5.50. Good. Okay, let's look at Toby, number 2. Toby has $5.45. Well, trust me, go ahead and write that down. $5.45. We don't know what we're going to do with it yet. He buys a hand drum, a little drum that costs $2.75. This is the one that confuses some people. How much more does he need to buy another hand drum that costs $3.50? Well, let's see how much this cost him. So he spent $2.75. All right, go ahead and say subtract. 5 take away 5 is 0. More on the floor. Go borrow from the dollars. This is nice and easy because 7 plus 7 is 14. 2, don't forget your dollar sign. So he only has $2.70 left, but he wants to buy another drum, but that costs $3.50. So it says how much more does he need? Well, to find that out, we're going to have to take how much it costs, $3.50, take away how much he has, and then we're going to see the difference, how much more money he's going to need to save or earn. 0 take away 0, it's more on the floor, go next door. 15 take away 7 should be 8. Nothing there. You can either put a 0, let's go ahead and do that. So he needs 80 cents more, right? So the line, and I'm going to say you could either write 80 cents or you can copy it just like that, okay? You pick whichever way you want to do that. So he needs 80 more cents if he's going to be able to spend that. Alrighty, let's see if I can fit another one down here. So Claire has $6.85. We're not going to write that yet. She buys 2 whistles. Each whistle costs $2.30. How much does she have left? Well, first of all, we're going to have to find out how much she spent. She spends more than $2.30, right? Because she bought 2 of them. So what are we going to have to do for step 1? We're going to have to add what 2 of them would cost. $2.30 plus $2.30, right? These can also be multiplication problems, and I know, Advic, you probably realize that. I'll show you with this one. So if you had 215 2 times, this is what that would look like. So 3rd grade's going to look like that for you. You say 2 5s are 10. I carry the 1 there. 1 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 2s, or 2 times 2 is 4. So that's another way to get to the answers, by multiplication. But we're kind of not there yet. 0 plus 0, 3 plus 3, 2 plus 2. So $4.60 is how much the whistles cost her. Now we want to know, how much does she have left over? Well, what did she start with? She started with $6.85. She spent, subtraction, make sure you get your signs there. One's adding, one's subtraction. She spent $4.60, right? 5 take away 0, 8 take away 6, 6 take away 4. So the final answer is she still has $2.25. She can go up here and buy a taco, right? Wherever that was happening at. Okay, you want to see this multiply? That's kind of fun. So let's take $2.30 and we're going to times it. That means 2 times it happened. So we're timesing it, multiplying by 2. We go 2 times 0. 2 zeros, a million zeros. It's still going to be 0, right? 2 3s. 2 times you have a 3. That makes 6. Drop your decimal point. 2 times 2 times 2. 2 2s is 4. So that is multiplying the problem out. That is adding the problem. And you get the same answer. Okay? I'm going to need to make some space. So bear with me. You can start reading the next problem. Start circling. Okay. Whoops, I needed that line. But that's okay. Not going to waste paper towel, right? We'll treasure this little dirty piece of paper towel. Dry it out. All right, so number 4. It says Mrs. Mott sold a bracelet for $3.25 and a keychain for 85 cents. Then she bought some egg rolls. She's a busy woman. That cost $2.05. How much money does she have left? Well, first of all, she sold a bracelet, so she made some money. It's like a garage sale. Here, you can have this for $3.25, and you can have the keychain for 85 cents. So she's got some money. We got to figure out how much money she earned. So step 1 is, how much money did that woman earn? $3.25, $3.25 plus. We're not gonna. All we're gonna do is do the decimal point in 85. Okay. All the rest is not necessary. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 8, 9, 10, 11. We've got to regroup again. 3 plus 1 is 4. So in her nifty, swifty little garage sale, she earned $4.10. But then she turned around and went down to the old food truck and bought some egg rolls. So let's see what she's got left over. Step 2, if she's got $4.10, she spends $2.05 for some egg rolls. That is a 5, not an S. More on the floor. 5 is definitely greater than 0. Go next door. Now you have 10. 10 take away 5 is 5. 0 take away 0. Drop your decimal point. 4 take away 2. Drop your dollar sign. And how much does she have left? $2.05. Okay? So if you did that all yourself and you're just checking your answers, you can go check, or you can go happy face, whatever you want to do with that, okay? So that is the end of our math lesson for right now. And coming up next, I'm pretty sure, will be language. And you'll want to have out your Little House in the Big Woods book, as well as the activity pages, okay? I think I'm going to eat lunch because I'm getting really hungry. So I will catch you when I see you, okay? Bye-bye.